Open your phone right now. Open Settings. Then Apps. And search for an app called Android System Key Verifier. If you find it, ask yourself one question. Why did Google put a full security app related to message encryption while most people don't even know it exists? The strange thing is that this app is not just sitting there. It is now officially connected to a new feature in Google Messages and Google Contacts called Verify Keys, meaning verifying the keys of the person you're talking to. Let me explain it simply. When you send an encrypted message through RCS in Google Messages, and to understand what RCS is in Google Messages, RCS, very simply, is the modern and more advanced version of regular SMS messages. So instead of the message being just an old-style text like SMS, RCS makes the Messages app work more like WhatsApp or iMessage, meaning you can do things like see whether the message was sent and read, send photos and videos in higher quality, see when the other person is typing, create better group chats, and in some conversations, there can be encryption between both sides. But the important difference is SMS works through the regular mobile network. RCS usually needs the internet and works through the messaging app, like Google Messages. The important point is, when you send an encrypted message through RCS in Google Messages, the message is supposed to go to the correct person, and no one should be able to get in the middle or impersonate them. This is where this app comes in. Android System Key Verifier. It helps the phone make sure that the public encryption key of the person you are talking to is actually the correct key. Meaning, instead of relying only on the name or number, you can verify that the encrypted conversation is really with the intended person. You may find this feature in Google Contacts or Google Messages through an option called Verify Keys. And in some cases, verification is done through a QR code or by comparing verification numbers between you and the other person. This idea is very important if you're talking to someone about a sensitive topic, or if you're worried about number impersonation, a device change, or someone trying to get in the middle. But the question here is, do you use Google Messages and RCS? If you use them, the app's presence may be useful because of the key verification feature. But if you do not use Google Messages or RCS at all, you probably will not feel any direct benefit from the app. And not every official app should be left on your phone without understanding what it does, especially since it caused real controversy because Google added a sensitive tool with a vague technical name, and most users were not clearly told what it does. And the fact that it exists enabled by default, I don't want to explain more, but you are dealing with Google. So, should you remove it? If you have a normal uninstall button in Settings or on Google Play, and you do not need the Verify Keys feature, you can remove it. But do not use advanced methods like ADB to delete system apps unless you understand what you're doing, because deleting Google components incorrectly may cause problems with messages, services, or updates. In the end, tell me your honest opinion. Will you leave it enabled or remove it? And also, do you think security services like this should be installed automatically? Or should Google ask you and explain them to you first? And if this video revealed something that was hidden inside your phone, hit like so it reaches more people, and subscribe to the channel. Because in the next video, we will talk about another Android security setting that looks simple but it could completely change the way your phone is protected.